Most people think you need YouTube, TikTok, Facebook ads in order to make a solid affiliate income online. But the truth is, there is a secret strategy running in the background, generating $50,000 months, $100,000 months on complete autopilot. No one talks about it until now. Top affiliates, the ones that you never ever see, are running something what I call the guru strategy. They don't post content, they're not dancing, and they're definitely not chasing likes on social media. Instead, they run something on what's called native ads through a network called Rev Content. And the numbers they are pulling is absolutely insane. Today, your boy is breaking it down step by step. And I'm showing you how I'm going to build my version of this same strategy because I'm chasing the ClickBank Platinum Award, which is making $250,000 with ClickBank products. This is your jam. If this is what you need in your life right now in order to build that life of freedom, kick that job to the curb. You don't need another full-time job. Then stay tuned all the way to the end. I got something special for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. On a mission to 10K, baby. Stop playing with me. First thing, it all starts with a winning offer. Listen, these gurus do not guess. This is not a guessing game for them. They know exactly what they're going to do. They go straight over to these platforms like clickbank.com. They look at the gravity. They find something that is selling like hotcakes and they hop onto it because it's already proven to sell. Typically, these hot selling products that are selling like hotcakes generally are within a niche of health, wealth, and relationships. Sometimes survival, and sometimes like Ted Woodworking is still crushing it. Ted Woodwork has probably made the most millionaires out of just about any other product out there. But see, here's the key. This is the whole reason why I'm saying this. They do not reinvent the wheel. They find exactly what is working and then they throw paid traffic, increase the results, get them very quickly, and boom, they're vacationing in Dubai or something. And you can do the same exact thing. Now, I want to talk about this secret weapon really fast. This is where the magic happens. Rev Content. Whenever you go on these websites like Google or MSNBC or CNN.com, you scroll down and you see these weird pictures and stuff. Some of them look like cartoons, or you might see a picture where some arrow is pointing on somebody's knee, or talk about the top 10 most attractive celebrities. Those are ads from what's called a native ad platform. It's right in front of your face and you never even noticed it. Why use native ad platforms such as Rev Content? Traffic is crazy cheap. You're getting clicks for cents on a dollar. There's no competition because there's so much resources in order to send your advertisements on. And here's the kicker right here. This is what sold me. You don't get banned like some of the other platforms out there because you made a mistake or an AI bot decides that your ad copy is wrong. I'm not saying any names. Facebook. Oof. Excuse me. Native ad platforms is where the serious marketers scale. I've seen examples. I've watched people build these campaigns from scratch using this exact strategy in order to go from $50 a day to $1,000 today. $1,000 per day in less than a month. There's a lot of cool programs that will teach you how to do that with Facebook ads right now, but they're teaching you things on how to buy fake accounts just in case you get banned. It's not a matter of if, actually, it's just a matter of when, and you have to figure out how to deal with that. You don't have those same worries when it comes to native ads. People spend hundreds and thousands of dollars a day on these platforms. On to the next one. Let's talk about the most important part of this whole process when dealing with native ads and Rev Content. Your image and your headline determines 80% of your success on these platforms. It just wouldn't be right if I didn't give you the cheat code. And yes, there is a cheat code. And that cheat code for me is a tool called adplexity. This is a spy tool where you can see the exact ads that are currently running online on all of these platforms in real time. They're getting the best results. They're getting the clicks and the leads. Like I told you, the gurus do not guess. And so neither will I. You can filter from platform to how long they've been online running, to the country, to the device. It's very complex and it is affordable. Listen, come here. Let me put you in on a secret. Come here closer. A little bit closer. There are platforms that charge $300 to do the same thing that adplexity does for a fraction of. This platform is the craziest shortcut I've ever experienced in my life. I have a link below down in the description under this video, which should be able to give you a free trial. Go ahead, sign up for your account right now. This is a must-have. Okay, you know the platform, you got the secret weapon, you have the crazy shortcut with adplexity. What's next? My friend, you need what's called a bridge page. Some people call it a thank you page. Some people call it a transitional page. But one thing is for sure, do not ever, 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 ever send your traffic to a direct link. Oh, you know that shortcut that I told you about, adplexity? You don't even have to make your own landing pages to figure out what's working. You can see the landing pages in adplexity and see what's already working and model that. It's really insane. But listen, I understand some of you are going to say, I do not have the money for it. Even though you go get your Starbucks coffee and you spend 20 bucks on that number 5 at Burger King every single day. I'm sorry, not Burger King, Chick-fil-A. With the Chick-fil-A sauce. Here's a free way in order to do what I'm talking about, but there will be limitations to what you can do. The first thing you can do is you can go to Google, you can find whatever product that you're trying to promote, you put that in a search bar, hit search, and all of a sudden you'll see these weird ads come up. Go ahead and click on some of those ads and you can see what other people are creating. You can see what landing pages that they create. You can see some of them actually do direct linking. Again, I do not recommend that. But here's the problem. You can do your research, you can model after what seems to be successful, but the fact is you don't know how long some of these links and advertisers have been out there. Somebody could be spending $100 for one day testing out something and then they'll never advertise again. And that result happens to get in front of you and you're trying to copy that versus something that has been running for the past 4 months and it is proven to work. You tell me which one would you prefer. The next free tool, you can go over to the Meta library. I've checked that out for some of my other funnels, and it's pretty cool. You can see how long the ad's been running and all that stuff. But once again, you have to click around. You have to do some research. You have to have some ninja skills in order to do that. If you guys are interested in that, go ahead and type ninja skills down in the comments below. All right, back to what I was saying. Your landing page is going to need 3 things. You're going to need curiosity, you're going to need urgency, and your customer is going to know exactly what to do next. Where do you want them to go? What action do you want them to take? Once you get a couple of clicks, hopefully you get some sales, then we go on to the next step. I love this subject because this is where a lot of people stop. You get excited about the product and the method and the idea. You get a couple clicks. Some people make money, some people lose money, but you need to continue because you are purchasing data. And the only way to really measure this success and grow is to track it. This is why most beginners are not successful and they quit. You need to know which ads, which placements, and which devices are simply making you money. I personally use ClickMagick for my link tracking. It works every time. I haven't had no issues. Fantastic customer service. And every click is optimized in real time. Without this, you're guessing. You see what I did there? However, with this tool, you can cut the losers. You know exactly where the clicks are coming from. You know the time, the IP address. You scale the winners. You build a successful business. You become a rock star. Use this for 14 days with my link down below in the description that I provide for you. This is necessary for serious people only. Don't waste my time, man. I'm putting y'all on game. Look, the reality is that most people who watch this you're going to do nothing. But the people who watch this, the real ones, the ones who take actions doesn't have an S. They are the ones stacking the commissions month after month. To be honest with you, this strategy has been around for years. Nobody's talked about it. People have been quietly printing the money behind your back and nobody's been telling you a word about it. I'm building this right now from the ground up. I already created a few videos on starting one campaign. Do this without a big following, no past results. I have the blueprint actually, and it's time to follow it. So if you want me to document my journey, share my results, or even build a campaign live right in front of your face, comment below Guru Strategy. I challenge you and your boy will make it happen. If you like more of this type of content, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you could be notified if you want to keep up with my journey. I need that trophy right here. I don't know why I like trophies so much. Also, if you're looking for free ways in order to make money online with affiliate marketing, hitting your first 10K with no ads, I just released my program, my first affiliate marketing course. Yes, it's been a long time. I should have done this a long time ago. It's $297, but get this. Because I just started it, I'm still building it out. I'm still trying to get a feel for what I need to put in it. I'm offering it to you as a beta tester. Jump in the beginning. Right now, it's only $47. One-time payment, extremely affordable. That could change your life. The whole goal is to help you make your $10,000, your first $10,000 online. Seriously, hop on it before I increase this price. I need 10 people to purchase it. I'm going to treat y'all like royalty, the first 10 who jump in, and we'll go from there. Make sure you check the description for the tools that I mentioned, ClickMagick and adplexity. These are the same tools that the top affiliates use. The playing field is level now. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing, it is time for you to level up. So now if you're really serious about leveling up, go ahead, click this video right here. You need to watch this next because without it, you're going to be lost in the sauce.